Decoding the official TOEFL and IELTS websites. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to another exciting video. Today, we're going to explore the official websites for the TOEFL and IELTS examinations. These websites are treasure troves of information, but they can be a bit overwhelming if you don't know where to start. Let's dive right in and demystify them. The official TOEFL and IELTS websites are essential resources for a few key reasons. 1. Reliability. All the information provided is directly from the source, ensuring accuracy and up-to-date content. 2. Resources. They offer free as well as paid resources that can help in your preparation. 3. Test details. The specifics about test format, registration dates, fees, and locations are all available in one place. When you land on the TOEFL official website, you'll find 1. Test preparation materials. Look for sample questions, practice tests, and guidelines. 2. Test registration. A step-by-step guide on how to register for the TOEFL test. 3. Test centers and dates. Get information about where and when you can take the TOEFL. 4. Scores. Understand how the scoring works, and access your test results once they're available. The IELTS official website also provides a plethora of information. 1. Understanding IELTS. An overview of the test format and its different modules. 2. Preparation resources. From free webinars to sample papers, there's a lot to explore. 3. Registration. Guidelines on how to sign up for the IELTS test. 4. Results. Information about result declaration dates and understanding your IELTS score. To effectively use these websites. 1. Bookmark important pages. This way, you can easily return to key resources or pages you want to revisit. 2. Regularly check for updates, especially important as test dates, locations, or formats might change. 3. Participate in webinars or online events. If available, they can provide invaluable insights and tips. 4. Download and print resources. Having some material in hard copy can be useful for offline studies. There you have it, a complete rundown of what to expect from the official TOEFL and IELTS websites. Remember, these are just tools, and your success largely depends on how well you utilize them. We hope this video helps you navigate these websites more confidently. Happy studying, and until next time, keep learning.